Alright, hello and welcome to another AIC Productions video. Today I'm going to be replacing some, if not most, or even all of my vacuum hose with this green vacuum hose. I got this off Amazon. The brand is Autobahn 88. I'll throw a link in the description if I remember to. I picked green for a few different reasons. Number one, looks. Just to dress up the engine bay. I've done a couple things so far. I put the aluminum dipstick stick on there, and then also obviously the intake makes it a little bit flashier. But the green should really dress up the engine bay a little bit. Another good thing about having the green is it lets me know which ones I've replaced, because I've already replaced a couple, and at this point I don't even really remember which vacuum lines I've replaced. So I found a couple that were cracked and leaking, so that's another reason for why I'm replacing it, not just for the color change, but also because I have a vacuum leak I've been trying to fix. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'll go ahead and time-lapse this video and probably adjust the camera so you're not looking at my rear end the whole time as I do it. So anyways, enjoy watching. Alright, so that's where we're finishing up today. This is obviously just a temporary stopping point. We'll be finishing this up soon, probably in the next day or two. Just pinching the little clips is just really hard on my fingers, so I'm going to have to find, I have a little pair of pliers that's perfect for these. I just can't find it, so I'm going to look for that, and hopefully I'll save my fingers. I'll be able to finish this up without absolutely killing my hands. I've broken a couple of nails and bent a couple back doing that, so I want to go ahead and see if I can't find those pliers before I continue on. It's also the middle of the day on a Friday, and even though it's December in Arizona, it's Arizona, you can probably see a little sweaty. It's like 80 degrees today, and it's quite sunny, so I'm going to stop here and pick this up later. Yeah, I think it's turned out really, really well. I like the green. So, anyways, I will follow this up with another video another day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.